Hi and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Intermediate series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. Here is the code for the number to word converter program that we wrote earlier. Now your exercise is to reorganize this code into a function. I want you to extract a function from this code. Now this algorithm for converting numbers to words can be used in a lot of applications. We can use it in system management applications or any other application. So we don't want to write this code again and again. So out of all the code we have from line 1 to line 17, lines 2 to 16 belong to our algorithm. So you should put this in a separate function. So why aren't we taking the input from the function? This is because we can take input in different forms. Like now we are taking it from the terminal. In the future we may take it from the graphical user interface. Similarly, the last line should not also be included in the function because in this program we are printing the output, but in another program we may send this output as a mail. So go ahead and reorganize this code into a function. So let's start by defining a function. Let's call our function price converter and pass total price as an argument. From this program, let's take the code from line 2 to line 16 and paste it into our function. Now press enter. Here we type return price in words. In the next line type total underscore price. Here we are taking the input from the user. Input total price. Now let's print the total price in words. Print price converter total price. Now let's run our program. Total price. Let's give it 25. So we get 5. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this intermediate series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.